Good morning. What should I do today? Get an account and access Canva or Demo Creator. Create a video tutorial showcasing what you see in the course by explaining what you see as pinpoint the items and tasks available in the course. Refer to the following areas of the course: left, center, and right. Do not go beyond the course parameters. Okay. But on the other hand, I'm not able to use Demo Creator because I have no place on my desk on a very old laptop. And I'm not sure if I can work with Canva, which is quite complicated. So I decided to use bandicam software I bought some time ago. So let's go. Here is what we've got in the course home. Let's start from the beginning. So when I'm going to the webpage integratingtechnology.org, I'm going to my courses and I look for the latest course, which is Moodle MOOC 25 Develop Activities and Resources with AI. I'm going there. Then I'm just putting all 3 columns on the screen to comment it. So I'm starting from the main main part. So in the middle, we've got all items or subjects or topics that we've got in the course. There are course overview, and we are now in the course overview. So there is very exact presentation. No, sorry. Course overview is here. So in the course overview, we've got a short summary of the course. Then we've got orientation, which is compulsory. Oh, I've got the next level up. Thank you. And there are just a lot of short films we should watch and try to learn about different possibilities while working with Moodle and different short application, good, useful application, let's say. Okay, there is also online Moodle course needs assessment survey, and we are also expected to edit our profile. And there are still a lot of very useful short films that enable us to work fluently with the platform. And the right column, there are just different blocks, and the administrator or teacher of the course usually decides what kind of blocks are there. So in our course we've got latest announcements, upcoming events, activities which are available in the course. Oh, here is information about online users, and at this moment we are 2 of us, Sofia, Starostina, and myself, and there is completion progress. There is also a place for comments that I can put. There is a level up that, oh, my father is coming, I must stop my recording, sorry.